Are you fixing the TV? That's all it is? Oh yeah. Yeah, that goes up there. Yeah. What do you think though? What do you think goes there? Oh. Good idea. Oh, okay, fix it. Oh yeah. Where's the TV go? Where does it go? Where should we put the TV? Does it go up here? Where do you want to put the TV? Or should we just fix it first? Okay. Little break for Buster? Yeah, we'll put it up there. High five. High five, Brody. Oh, that's, yeah, okay, that's a good one. Oh, is that what that is? That's that? Did you fix it? You're a goof. You gonna put Dad's shoe on? Here, get it straight. There you go. Now put your foot up. Buster, go. There you go. Okay, heads up, buddy.